he's just the perfect, like a pig. You think of a pig.
Yeah.
He was just so. But anyway, we had, of course, my daughter and I won't eat him because we're the one that found him and babied him and fed him all the oats in the house that we could find.
Got a tag.
It was a very healthy pig.
Yeah.
So my husband says, we can't eat it. No, they love it, but you know, not my thing.
Oh, my knees.
Getting old?
Yeah. Not getting. I think I'm there already.
Oh, there's their shoes again.
See, I'm just fascinated with those. I've never seen anything so big. You know,
Cute.
that's not the
She's the What is that? He sees the black. I wonder if he thinks it's another puppy.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Something. What is that?
Boo. What do you think? It moves. Say, oh well. Yeah, I'm just going to ignore it.